Well, here goes another one. Destroyed, destruction. Well, what can I say? Was Icon Diva nightclub built, I don't know, back in 2005 maybe, 2006, some point around there. And it went well for a while. And then council took charge of putting security and all sorts of stuff going on there, and kind of started dwindling down a bit. Then it changed hands into Mocha, and now they want to put planning permission for 152 flats and commercial. The commercial means there's a cafe at the end of it. All along that stretch there, they want to build flats from right down the bottom there where the Taj is and a level crossing, all the way along there. You can see they've made a start with the Crawley station, overlying house. No idea what's going on there, but all this is going to be flats right down to here. But another one of my little gripes about this is right at the end of the nightclub here, in between Belmont House and Mocha, is the wood, small oak wood. There was a load of oak trees here, and now they're totally destroyed, totally gone. They've whipped them away and left a load of rubbish here, but I'm sure they clear it. But there was, as you can see over there, massive oak trees, massive oak trees, but now they're down to the ground. I think it's getting ready for the demolition. But yeah, those oak trees were like that, and they were all over this place here, and they've just destroyed them. Sold them on, I was told. Sold them on. But there you go. And yeah, that's what's going to happen there. Yeah, as you can see, that's the Afghanistani hospital, Afghanistani board and lodging. Yeah, and all this is just going to disappear. All that's just going to disappear, turn into flats all the way down. As far as the planning application went, it was supported by the majority of the council. Sold to Aurora Enterprises, or whatever his company is called. And did you know the Aurora has also bought the County Mall? So there's a lot of space up there. A lot of space. What do you think? So you're going to have 1,000 flats around here. Flats everywhere. Flats everywhere. So, yeah. There you go, there's the workman. He's watching me for some reason. No surprises there. But yeah, let me know what you think. Did you go to Icon Diva? Did you meet your missus there? Did you create a family? Yeah? Did you have some lovely good times in Icon Diva, Mocha? I'm sure you all did. I'm sure you all did. But yeah. There you go, the changing face of Crawley. Seriously. It's seriously changing. So we're going to be surrounded town centre with flats. Surrounded with it. A complete surrounding. Anyway, let me finish it off there.